What are the 7 best tech stocks that will make you rich in 2024, before the next big crisis happens in 2026? More on that in a minute. So if sending your net worth skyrocketing is one of your goals in 2024, then keep watching. And of course, make sure you stick around until the end of the video, where I will be sharing with you the secret cycle you need to be aware of, so you know exactly when to sell your stocks. Oh yes, there is another financial crisis right around the corner. When it happens, tech stocks will be in the toilet. And there's nothing worse than getting rich on paper, then losing it all. So let's get into the details. Number 1. Bitcoin ETF. Investing in Bitcoin just got a whole lot easier. 11 Bitcoin ETFs have launched for trading on the US stock markets. This means you can get access to Bitcoin without a crypto exchange or crypto wallet. The list of financial institutions with ETFs includes BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest. Together, these institutions have around $17 trillion worth of assets under management. To get an idea of just how big of a deal this is for Bitcoin's future price, let's take a look back at gold. The first gold ETF was approved in the US back in November 2004. Gold's price then went on to increase by 250% over the next 7 years. Bitcoin has the potential to go way higher, way faster, as it's more scarce than gold. This means Bitcoin's price could jump from $43,000 today to $100,000 in 2024, and even $200,000 in 2025. Bitcoin's price was up 156% in 2023, and it could do it again in 2024. Number 2. Coinbase. So look, Coinbase is front and center of the Bitcoin ETFs. Why? Because Coinbase is the cryptocurrency exchange that is responsible for selling and safely storing the Bitcoin held in 8 out of the 11 newly launched Bitcoin ETFs in the US. That means Coinbase will be ranking in the extra revenue from custodian fees, but also things like admin fees, settlement fees, execution, and transaction flow fees. It's not only the ETFs that could drive more revenue. Coinbase is also focused on expanding into Europe. In 2023, it chose Ireland as its European HQ and has gained operational licenses from the regulators in France, Spain, Italy, and Netherlands, as well as expanding out into Singapore, Brazil, and Canada. By the way, we feature these stocks and other top picks in the weekly Money Mastery newsletter. Every week, you get top alpha from the top tech news stories, to chart analysis, to deep dive reports and more, all to help you make your next market moves, to help you make a fortune by investing in the future. Use the link down below in the description to join over 20,000 weekly readers for free. Number 3. Marathon Digital. Another sector that stands to gain from Bitcoin's upcoming bull market is the mining companies. Marathon is the largest Bitcoin miner in the US by computing power. In December 2023, Marathon broke its own record high for the number of Bitcoins produced. It produced a whopping 1,853 Bitcoins in December, which is a 56% increase from November, and a 290% increase from December 2022. Marathon continues to expand in 2024, with a target of 30% growth in its computing power. The more computing power, the more Bitcoins it can produce, which means more revenue into the business. Number 4. Rivian. Moving away from crypto now to the EV market. Rivian has been beaten down since its IPO in November 2021. This is largely due to the fact the company has not yet seen a profitable quarter yet. It has also faced tough competition and suffered due to high interest rates. But all this could be setting it up for a strong 2024. Rivian is expected to report a 165% increase in sales to $4.4 billion in its Q4 results due out in February. Margins are improving as production is increasing, meaning a healthier and stronger balance sheet too. Rivian also announced back in December that AT&T, the American telecoms company, is its second customer for commercial electric vehicles and will pilot the fleet. Yet more signs that the tide could be turning. Number 5. Tesla. Cathie Wood has been loading up on Tesla stock in the past week, to the tune of $25 million. Tesla's supercharger network and its cash pile of more than $26 billion at the end of Q3 2023 means Tesla can continue to scale and increase production. But Tesla isn't just a car company, it's an AI and robotics company, which the market has yet to fully realize and price in. 2024 could be the year of the humanoid, just like 2023 was for AI, taking Tesla to new heights. Tesla unveiled the second gen of its humanoid robot, Optimus, back in December 2023. Whenever it's ready for mass production, it could disrupt 30% of the global labor market, a $30 trillion opportunity. Number 6. AMD. So AMD's stock price jumped more than 127% in 2023, but this one has plenty of room left to run. 2024 will see AMD launch its most powerful AI chip yet, the MI300, rivaling NVIDIA's H100. AMD has a growing list of customers for its AI chips, including big names like Meta, OpenAI, Microsoft and Oracle. AMD expects to make at least $2 billion in revenue from its AI chips this year. With the potential to smash through these estimates if all goes well, AMD is one to watch for sure. Number 7. Shopify. This tech giant now accounts for about 10% of all US e-commerce transactions, and it's looking to grow its slice of the pie in 2024. It's expanding beyond its small businesses to large sellers and enterprises with its Shopify Plus product. Then there's the power of AI. Shopify's suite of AI tools is helping merchants set up shops in minutes, making those time-consuming tasks like product descriptions a total breeze. Once interest rates start to fall, a rebound in customer spending could see online shopping return to peak levels, resulting in more revenue for Shopify. And now, let's talk about the 18-year economic cycle. Earlier in this video, I said I would let you in on the secret cycle that will tell you when it's time to sell your stocks. And that is the 18.6-year economic cycle. Financial crises have happened every 17 to 21 years for over 200 years, with an average of 18.6 years. The last financial crisis was 2008, which means if history repeats, the next crisis is expected around 2026. Now what this means for you right now is we're coming into the final few years of the current cycle. It's known as the winner's curse, aka speculative season. It's here that tech stocks can skyrocket like never before. But what goes up must come down. So remember to stay cool as a cucumber as we enter the market madness and bank those profits before the peak. Let me know what you think of these stocks, and I'll see you in the next video.